Wanna know how to fix PUBG Mobile no sound issue? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you could easily fix your PUBG Mobile no sound issue. It's super simple and easy, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your PUBG Mobile and make sure your phone's media and sound is on or to the max. So if it's not, you can just simply change it up, which could be a manual issue. If not, just simply hit towards settings right here. Now, once you're under settings, head towards audio and haptics. Now, once you're under audio and haptics, make sure you are under audio and the SFX quality is high. Sometimes low SFX quality might not help as well. Now, if you're looking for other stuffs like master and much more, make sure the slider is all the way up or your desired. So that's it, super simple and easy. So if it still doesn't work, you can just simply restart your PUBG Mobile or just clear out your cache. So if those not work as well, just delete your app and reinstall it again. So sometimes corrupt audio files might be the cause. Also test it with headphones. Sometimes external audio works even when speakers don't. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.